Hey and konnichiwa. My name is Gustav and I will show you how to prepare a good Viking sushi. For a Viking sushi, the most important ingredient of course is surströmming. Surströmming is a fish that is smelling a little bit special and is very spicy from the taste. If you eat it pure, you might puke, but if you use it as a spice, it's delicious. We use some Swedish wasabi, it's horseradish, and we have some sour cream as well, some ordinary sushi rice, and a beer accompanying this wonderful meal, and some soy sauce to put the sushi maki rolls into it. And we have of course seaweed, and that's it. So let's start to make a real Viking sushi with surströmming. The main ingredient is surströmming. This is traditional Swedish fish that smells a little bit, and the can is under pressure. So we have to open it underwater so that the bad smell doesn't spread all over our clothes and all over our places. This food is best to be prepared outside because you never get rid of the smell if you open this can in your apartment. So please be careful. Oh! That smells awful. Okay, when you've opened the can, start preparing the maki roll by putting some sushi rice on the seaweed. So if you don't like rice, you can use mashed potatoes. If you mash the potatoes with a glass or something like that, then it works pretty fine as well. So when you finish the rice on the seaweed, you continue with surströmming. Best is if you buy surströmming in fillets, and then you put 2 fillets on the rice, on the maki roll, and that's the spicy ingredient for it. Next is take 2 slices of cucumber, put them there aside, or maybe we make them half as thick, then it fits better into the roll. Then we continue with the horseradish. We take Swedish wasabi, we call it, just a little bit, because the surströmming already is pretty spicy and sometimes even a little bit hot. Then we take some sour cream, just a little bit, to make it a little bit softer, the whole taste. And that's it. And now you have to roll it, slice it, and you can start eating. So now we roll the maki roll with the rice and its ingredients, and first we do it with a hand, and then we continue with our bamboo mat, which can be made out of bamboo or even small sticks from your wood, and then we roll it, we press it a little bit, just a little bit, and that's the whole maki roll. So we cut some slices, some pieces out of the maki roll with a sharp knife. And then we have ready to serve our Viking maki rolls. So these are our ready to eat maki rolls, our real authentic Viking sushi. So we dip the sushi into the soy sauce. We don't need any wasabi as the fish is very spicy and sometimes even a little bit hot. And then delicious Viking sushi. Wonderful.